Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video we will go through how to install KiloCode in VS Code. So let's get straight into it. First thing, you will jump right here into your Visual Studio Code. Now click the extensions. So right here on the left side you will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th icon where is extensions. Now search for KiloCode right here, and you will see this first one. If we click on it, uh, you will find out everything here. Now, up here, you will click install. So now you can install it and wait a little bit. And now, as you can see, we successfully installed the KiloCode. Now, as you can see, KiloCode is free open source AI coding agent. Right here, you can write code. It can write code for you, uh, understand your code bases, get things working again, plan your logic, and you can get this to work really nicely. So right here, you can use own IP address, and you can type it right over here. You can also choose the model which you would like to have, and that's basically pretty much it. This is how you can install a KiloCode into your Visual Studio Code. Now, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.